Hey, it's Jen Sparks, and I'm at Mandalay Bay, and today we're going to Moorea. It's an adult-only club, and we got a cabana, and I am so excited. I'm here with my cousin Michelle, otherwise known as Pinky, and we're going to go check out this place. We're really excited. This was super interesting to me because I've never seen it before because it's very elusive. It's on the top, like it's its own little thing, and it's hard to get a cabana there, so I'm pretty excited. So you walk up these stairs. It opens at 11. For those of you just finding me, I usually do resort tours and reviews, and if you do, and this week I seem to be doing cabana reviews and pool reviews and the resorts in Las Vegas. I love Las Vegas. I was warned right away to watch my camera because there's people walking around topless, but that's not why I'm here. I'm here to tape the cabana. So we're going up to the second or third floor. I think it might have been even higher. It might have been like the fourth floor. Wow. And here, I'm going to be quiet as you could hear our first initial reaction to seeing this place. It's amazing.
Wow. This is nice. Yeah. We do. We have our own bathroom. Oh my God. This is great. Oh, what a view. Oh my God. Stop. Wow.
And you have your own cocktail server, come for food and drinks.
Nice. This is wonderful.
It is like topless optional for you guys, but if you do it, just don't do it. Pretty much that way. Yeah.
So pretty much what our new friend told us was if we are going to go topless, to make sure that everybody in Mandalay Bay doesn't see you, to go the other way. That was our own bathroom. There was a choice of 4. We were the first ones there, so we got to choose. They were all very similar, except the one we chose had a very bright, shiny wall, red. So that's the one Pinky wanted. So over here, we're overlooking, and this is before a lot of people. In fact, there was hardly anybody there, so I'm taking a glimpse down just to show you the cabanas that are on the left-hand side. Those are cabanas too. It's my general nature to be nosy and investigate. So while my cousin was greeting our new neighbors who had cabanas, I had to go check out this undiscovered territory. Like, what is this? I had to go check it out. It was like, wow. Only in Vegas can you probably find something like this. I'm still in shock. It was amazing. This place here is badass. I have no idea how you get this. I don't know if this is a high roller thing. I don't know, but I was like, oh, wow, look at this. This place is incredible. This is a cabana. Well, I wouldn't actually call it a cabana. It's more like a pavilion. But the view is incredible. It was similar to our view, but it was just round and big. I mean, you could have so many people probably to this thing here. It was so... I was really excited to videotape this. Yes, my friends, that is a stripper pole. Oh gosh, if these walls can talk, I'm sure there's a lot of great stories that happened in here. All right, now we're gonna go back out. I'm gonna go try to find my cousin. See, they have like little lounge chairs here, and there's a pool that all the places, all these, I can't call them cabanas. They're not really cabanas. They're like your own private little real estate up there with your own TVs, your own bathroom. And you know, what happens is, it kind of reminded me of going on a cruise ship. If you've been on a cruise before, you'll know what I mean. You know, everyone gets on, everyone's excited, everyone's a little shy at first, then the drinks start coming in, and then you're like, hi, I'm from here. There's my cousin. She's just starting to get to feel the water. She's having her first drink. Everybody's starting to mingle a little bit. And by the end of the thing, you guys are all best friends. I mean, it's like, but rather than it taking a week, it's just in an afternoon. I still don't know anybody's name. There was one guy, we all collectively called him Chandler, Matthew Perry. And Matthew Perry, if you're watching this video, thank you for the cocktails for everyone. He bought everybody there drinks, big ones. So by the end of the day, we were all, like I said, we were all best friends. It was really fun. All right, and I'm looking for my cousin, and she has now met the people that have the spectacular room. So I went to go say hi, and then I came back, and I was trying to be good, and I was sitting in my little villa, and I realized that every single person that is in all these pavilions are all at the party. So I went back to go say hi to everybody, and everybody was cool. Nobody minded me videotaping. I just videoing a couple little clips because I don't want anybody to feel intrusive that I like adding them to the video because I don't really have anybody's permission. But you know, it was a really good time. Everybody had fun, and everybody was dressed, and nobody was inappropriate. It was a really fun crowd. Like it was just all people like just having a really good time in Las Vegas. So it was a really good experience, and I'm so glad I got to go see that place again. I was really super excited. Have you been to the Moorea Club before? Let me know in the comments. And let me know too if I'm pronouncing that properly. I really just don't know. Super cool place. So if you get the opportunity, I highly recommend it. And it was just a really cool afternoon. Things are starting to wind down now. It's open till 6 o'clock, so you know everyone's got to go to their dinner reservations and shows. So we just started collecting our stuff and saying our goodbyes. We had such a good time with everybody. There was a couple people celebrating their birthdays, including my cousin, and it was just, you know, it was a super fun day. And happy birthday to you, Pinky. And thank you so much for getting me to go to Las Vegas. Get me out of Orlando for a little while. I'm always in Orlando. I'm actually here right now filming. I'm going to be going to Universal Studios. Going to be staying at the Hard Rock Hotel over there. Super excited, and I'll be making videos of those, so be on the lookout. And goodbye to my new friends. Sorry I don't remember any of your names. And to Matthew Perry, Chandler, thank you so much for the big drinks and the souvenir cups. I actually have it in Orlando. What a great thing. What a great afternoon. Thank you, Pinky, and happy birthday. All right, if you want to check out my other videos, I did a whole tour of the Mandalay Bay Beach, pool, lazy river, and cabanas. I stayed Delano. I did a whole resort tour. Really, really awesome place. I did a walkthrough from Delano to the pool to show you if it's worth staying in Delano for you or if the walk is too long. I think it's totally worth it. I love it there. I did Paris and our cabana there, and the Wynn dinner that we went to. Awesome places. I love Las Vegas. Super excited. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. That would rock. Safe travels to you.